Welcome to our channel One to Step, where we post tutorial video. Today I'll teach you how you guys can find templates on Instagram. So as you guys can see this reel over here, I created that using templates. So that's what templates does. It makes you making video easier. So let me show you how to find templates. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, hit that subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. First step, what you can do is click on the reel whose template you want to use. So this is the template I want to use. So what I can do is just click on the video and the video is going to be expanded just like this. So let's say I love this template. At the bottom of the video, you can see this template by demo option over here. Click on it and it's going to show me the template. Now what I can do is click on use template button and start using this template. So that's one way to use template. The another way to find template is to click on the plus button at the bottom of your screen. Go on versus reel. Now once you're on reel, at the top you can see the templates button. Click on it and then it's going to show you all the templates available over here. The one you saved, the one which is trending, the one which is recommended to you. You can choose whichever template you want and start using it. That's how you guys can find templates on Instagram. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit that subscribe to our channel One to Step. I'll see you guys next time.